Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I am doing a little upgrade to my living space, and trust me, it is one I've been looking forward to for a while. If you have been rocking with me for some time, you might remember the egg chair I reviewed a year ago. It served me well, but lately I felt it just wasn't giving me what it needed to give me in terms of comfort and space. So today I am saying goodbye to that one old egg chair and welcoming not just one but two stunning brand new oversized egg chairs into my home. So let's get into the unboxing and full review. The chairs arrived in two separate large boxes from Costway. Super quick delivery. By the way, I placed the order and within a week they were right at my doorsteps. So if you're ordering within the US, expect fast and efficient delivery. Big win already. As I opened the boxes, the first thing I noticed was how neatly organized everything was. Each part was carefully labeled A, B, C, etc., making it very easy to follow the instruction manual. And inside the box we have the bamboo frame, the sturdy hardware, soft cushions, and of course the headrest. The chair is officially called the Waker Oversized Egg Style Chair with cushions and headrest, and it definitely lives up to its name. Now when it comes to assembly, I always recommend sorting out the hardware first. It saves so much time and confusion. Thankfully, my amazing husband jumped in to help with the setup. Although it came with its own spanner, we opted to use our electric drill just to make the process smoother and quicker. Every piece fit together seamlessly. The instructions were easy to follow, and before long we were tightening the final screws on the base. That part, by the way, has a strong X-shaped metal frame with adjustable foot pads for extra support and balance. I love it. Now let's talk about the aesthetics. I went with the black color option for a practical reason. I'm a proud mom of two energetic, curious, and sometimes messy children. So while there are other beautiful colors like gray and white, I knew black was the safest and most economical choice for my household. So it hides stain well and holds up beautifully even with everyday use. So here is why this egg chair is now one of my favorite additions to our home. Oversized and spacious, it is perfect for coiling up with a blanket, folding your legs, or even sharing with a loved one. Comes with extra thick 2-inch cushion and a supportive headrest that makes lounging so relaxing. It is crafted with elegant, well-woven rattan and a bamboo-inspired frame for that modern chic look. That heavy-duty metal frame is no joke. It holds weight well and keeps the chair super stable. So whether you are placing it in your living room or out on the patio, it blends perfectly with any space. The cushions are machine washable and they are easy to maintain. So another mom approved feature. So once we were done assembling it, I added the cushions, one for the base, one for the back, and of course the headrest. And oh my goodness, comfort level 100%. My daughter was the first to test it out, quickly followed by my son, and let me tell you, both kids were obsessed. The chair easily accommodates two people, making it perfect for family bonding time. I already envisioned cozy evenings with a warm blanket, a good book, maybe a cup of coffee or tea or fresh juice, or even sunny afternoon outside under a tree, just relaxing. This chair really transformed the vibe of my space. So yes, I ended up getting two of these chairs because I wanted to share the comfort and style with my husband and kids. Whether it's for reading, lunching, chatting, or sipping something cool on a breezy day, this egg chair delivers. I've linked the exact product in the video description below. It is called the Waker Oversized Egg Style Chair with Cushions and Headrest. I 100% recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay cozy, stay stylish, and stay blessed.